In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Report Phishing button in Outlook. This quick setup adds a dedicated report button to your Outlook toolbar so you can flag suspicious emails in a couple of clicks. It's a simple change that helps keep your inbox safer and trains the filtering system to catch threats faster. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website. You'll know you're in the right place if the address is from a trusted Microsoft domain and you see the familiar Outlook web interface. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and complete that so you can access your mailbox. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top area of the page where the toolbar sits. Find the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More Actions. This menu is where Outlook keeps additional options that aren't shown by default on the main toolbar. Click the three dots to expand the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Customize. In some layouts, it may say Customize Toolbar, but the idea is the same. You're opening the panel that controls which buttons are visible on your ribbon. In the Customization panel, look for an option called Report. This is the control that enables the Report button, which typically includes actions like Report Phishing and Report Junk. Click the checkbox next to Report to turn it on. If you see a brief description, it's confirming that enabling this will add the report control to your toolbar. After selecting it, click Save to apply your changes. Outlook will store this preference and update your toolbar. Give it a second to finish. You might see the interface adjust as it confirms your new layout. Return to your inbox and look at the toolbar again. You should now see the Report button in the ribbon. When you select an email, that button usually offers options like Junk, Phishing, or Not Junk, making it easy to categorize suspicious messages correctly. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page. The change should appear right after the page reloads. A quick tip for using it effectively. Choose Report Phishing only when the email is clearly a scam trying to steal information, and use Report Junk for unwanted marketing or spam. Reporting accurately helps improve filters for you and, in many organizations, also alerts security teams to real threats. And that's all there is to it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, used the three dots menu, customized the toolbar, enabled the report checkbox, saved, and verified the button in your ribbon. Now you're ready to report suspicious emails quickly and confidently.